those who positioned when there were key reversals coming in, you are being paid off. Your strategy of coming in when everyone else was fearful is now paying off for you. So good evening, guys. I'm actually just waiting for my wife. I'm just across where she works right now, so she'll be down in 5 minutes. But as you know me, I want to maximize the time that I have, and every moment is important. Please remember this, and I keep saying this all the time. Time is your most valuable asset. It's something that you can never earn back. It's something that you can never get on top of. But you ever have money, you can always replace stocks that you've lost. You can always earn it back again. But time is something that's very, very, very valuable. So I'm taking moments like this, free time, where I can get to communicate and share ideas and thoughts about the market as well. So this will just be a very, very short video up until she arrives, I guess. But I got tons of messages about the PSE, the index as a whole, and JFC. Over 100 messages just by today, so I'd like to address that in this short period of time that we have. But first of all, congratulations to all of you. I'm so happy to get a lot of messages that those who attended the seminars, read the books, or at least those who have been watching and following this video series, that you guys are making money at the start of the year. That alone is something that's, in my opinion, very, very, very makes what I do fun. Just to see other people make money, earn, and take advantage of what's happening in the market. For me, that's what makes this very, very fulfilling. We now have people joining us, Melson Manalo and Dennis Paderes. Good evening to all of you guys. So please remember, also I made a blog post about this, that when the market is up and the market is moving higher, emotions doesn't just happen when the market is down. It also swings both ways, meaning when the market is up, you tend to be emotional that you overwatch your stock. That if you overwatch it in a separate occasion, the problem there is you tend to sell too quick, or you tend to react and you buy at a high price. The goal here is, when the market was down, you should not rely on your emotions. Same way with what we're having right now, since the market is up, you should also not rely on your emotions, and that's how you can maximize your gains. The goal here is not to sell too early. The goal here is not to get caught up with your emotions. Please remember, you can never always, no one can predict where the peak will be, but what you can do is you just follow what your parameters are in selling, and as you maximize that, even if you don't sell it at the highest point, at least you sold in accordance to your plan. By the way, this video is about the Psei and Jollibee because that's where I got the most questions of. But Wilcon, guys, is still crushing it. I made a post about it last week where I showed you that Wilcon broke out, and it's still continuing in that breakout pattern. I'll try to post the chart later on in my Facebook page, so you can check and reference it there, or I'll probably make another video about it. But Wilcon is progressing in its breakout, and you want stocks that are progressing. You don't want to sell something yet while it's breaking out. You want to maximize that to the fullest extent of the law. And you also have Bloom, who's doing well now. From a trading perspective, is also doing well. Then if I remember it properly, Pure Gold also is pushing towards 50 already. So interesting days, very, very interesting days. So congratulations to those who are crushing it, doing well, making money off of what's happening in our markets. Now let's go to the content of this video, the Psei and Jollibee. I posted this in my Facebook wall during intraday trades, that the market hit 7.9, which from a range perspective is already at its resistance level, meaning as it is at its resistance level, you have to understand that there will be selling that could happen. There will be selling that every time it hits those levels, no matter how bullish we think it is, people will come in, take profits, and get out of the stock. So that's one thing. And as you saw it, afternoon trades brought the markets down. We closed up, I think it was around 7723. So it's still up against the previous close, But from a tech perspective, it validated our resistance at 7,900, meaning because we failed to break out of the 7,900 level, sellers are opting to stay away already, or to pocket in earnings. People are hesitant also to start buying, and if there's a narrative with this, as long as we stay above our 7570 level, I mentioned this in a previous video, that's the breakout point, that's the reversal point, that's the bearish to bullish reversal pattern. As long as we stay in those levels, the market can still progress and still continue in its uptrend. So what we could possibly expect is this: it hit 79, it corrected down, there could be a possibility of it going lower, but as long as the higher high continues to develop, for those who attended Stock Smarts, you know what I am talking about, as long as that continues to develop, we could still see the upward trend continue to at least flourish, continue to go and progress to where it's supposed to be. So that's one. So the market is lower than the intraday high. It failed to break out 7.9. It's still up, it's still bullish, it's still above its range. So your goal is not to sell yet, but for those who are pegging 7.9 as a resistance level already, it's not bad to take profits there from that perspective. I repeat, if you're using 7.9 as your resistance level and you see it really not go up there, it's not wrong to already sell and take profits. Now, Jollibee's up, guys. I think it's around 323. It's continuing its breakout. I posted this in the last Jollibee video that because of the breakout from 305, it will challenge the next target price. My technical target is around 350 to 360 pesos per share. So if it stays above 305, there will be dips, there will be corrections, there will be days that it will be red, but our target is 350, 360 for this short to mid-term perspective, for this short to mid-term tranche of Jollibee. So as long as 305 holds, you can expect that it could hit 350 to 360 for the mid-term. From a position trading standpoint, Jollibee is bullish, short, mid, long term. If you are a position trader, no sell signal as it started to reverse from 275. That's the critical reversal point for 270 for Jollibee. No, because of that, the trend up for Jollibee is pretty much intact. So position traders, no sell signal. Quick traders, two things to watch out for: any hesitation that it fails to break out from 350, 360, you are a quick trader, take profits. Should Jollibee correct and 305, it goes to 305, it does not hold 305, you need to get out as well, because that should be your lower exit plan should it not work on your trades. Then should it hit 305 and bounce again, that could be for those who have not entered yet and want to position, that could be another entry level for you. I made this in previous videos. No, this is not a play for people who are very, very sensitive on valuations, because at the end of the day, from an investing standpoint, valuation standpoint, Jollibee is a bit expensive. So you should know what you're coming into, that if you're doing this, you are doing this to trade. It doesn't make sense for you to buy something that's high and you are an investor. You have to segregate it. That's why I've been telling people, place a big preference also on how you segment your investments. If you are a trader or an investor, you need to have a delineation off of it. You need to have a broker for trading, you need to have a broker for investing, you need to have a broker for quick trading, position trading, then for investing. Then if you want to earn off dividends, you need to have another segment for that as well. So that's how you can mix it, that's how you can match it over the next few days. So another thing, people are asking, why is the market moving up straight? That's how bullish markets work. That's why when the market was bearish and it was in a downtrend, the narrative there was, hey, it's headed down, it's going down, and that's how it normally goes. Now the trend is up. Those who positioned when there were key reversals coming in, you are being paid off. Your strategy of coming in when everyone else was fearful is now paying off for you. So the next, by the way, this is what I do when I'm positioned. No? This is what I do when I own stocks already. Shout out to Marvin Dungao, CEO of 12 Masters, one of the best photography companies here in the country. Amazing. I think he will give great image a run for their money. Over, give it 5 years, he'll be one of the top already in the Philippines. Romel Ramos, good evening. Bill Will from Riyadh asking for ISM. I made a video about ISM. Just check the last stocks by request video. ISM is there as well. So what do I do when I'm positioned? My only goal is this: I don't need to watch every stock in the market. I only need to take a focus on stocks that I have, stocks that I'm positioned on, because all I need to know is when it starts to reverse, when those resistance don't break, when those areas where I need to sell start to emerge, I take profits off of it. And you don't have to watch everything in the market. There are some stocks that are up that I did not buy. Why? Because I can only focus on a few stocks that I want as well. So that's how you do it. You don't have to watch every market out there. If you own a stock, be locked in, be zero in. You have to know when you're supposed to sell. When it gets hit without blinking, you need to take profit. When it gets hit, you need to sell. And that's when you start studying. That's when you start researching where you're supposed to transfer it. So there. I didn't think I'd finish on time. No. For those who are tuning in just now, I'm right across my wife's office. I'm just waiting for her. That's why I created this video, to be able to do it. Sabi ni Ring Gabion, attended the seminar, but it was worth it. Thank you so much that the seminar was worth it for you, and that's something that for me makes this fun. It's about changing narratives also of how people get to learn and trade and win the market. So there. For those who don't have stocks yet, for those who have cash, who have buying power and are thinking of buying, please don't make this mistake. Do not buy just because nakikisabay kayo for some friends who made money. I suggest still to go back to your technicals. There are some stocks still that are just breaking out just now. There are some stocks that are at support levels that you go towards them. Don't go towards stocks that are deep in its uptrend already or far from its breakout points already, because that's you chasing them. That's you putting yourself a larger amount. That's you giving yourself a larger amount of risk. That the further you are from those support levels, the risky the stocks will be. So I don't suggest that you chase those stocks that are heavily up. You only buy them just because your buy signals are good. Do not buy them out of either side nanghinayang kayo because you were not able to buy it, or kaibigan kayo na kumita doon and you just want to also join in. Please remember, the buy signals of your friend should be different from you. Your buy signals should be crafted on what your trading strategies would be. So there. I don't have my laptop with me, no, so I would have wanted sana to do some stocks by request sana. That would have been fun, but no laptop, I wouldn't be able to check my charts. But please comment below. I'll probably do another stocks by request, 1 or 2 more this week with the specific stocks that you would post. So just comment them. So segment, no, by the way, I want to know if please put your name, where you're from, the stocks that you want for stocks by request, comment it, and then please tell me if you want to buy it or you already own it and you're thinking where the narrative is, where do you want to actually sell it as well, so that the analysis will be segmented within that. So that's it. My wife is here already, so we're gonna have dinner. So yun lang, I just took the time while waiting for her. Say hello first to everyone. Say hello. So that's it, guys. I hope this video helped you trade well, trade strong, trade smart. It's now time for love life and so bye everyone. Say bye bye again. Bye guys.